In section 3.1.14-T, the question states that the following data represent the amount of time in minutes a random sample of 8 students took to complete the online portion of an exam in a particular statistics course. We want to be able to compute the mean, the median, and mode time. Now keep in mind of the key words, and that's what you want to pay attention to. It says sample, and since we're looking at sample, to find the mean, we know that we're going to be looking for X bar. So it's really important to know what symbols that you're using here. So here's the data. Here's the data that's listed. And if we look, there are 8 observations. So we know that N is going to equal 8, which is the number of observations. Now, if we do this by hand, in order to find the sample mean, we're going to add up all the observations and divide it by 8. Which would then give us the sample mean of 87.16. Now, if we want to find the median, in order for us to find the median, we need to rearrange these numbers in ascending order, going from least to greatest. So we put them in ascending order. We got 58.3, 62.5, 76.1, and so on. And then we also know that there's 8 observations. So since there's an even amount of numbers, then we need to take the 2 middle numbers and then divide that by 2 to determine the median. So we have 79.4 plus 89.7, divide that by 2, and that gives us the median of 84.55. And then the last part, we want to be able to find the mode. So the mode of a variable is the most frequent observation of the variable that occurs in a data set. Now to compute the mode, you tally the number of observations that occur for each data value. Now the data value that occurs most often is the mode. A set of data can have no mode, one mode, or more than one mode. If no observation occurs more than once, then the data have no mode. So if you take a look at all the values that we have in this example, there is no mode exam time. So now, if we want to be able to use technology to find the mean, the median, and the mode, we're going to do the following. So I'm going to pull up this question here, and next to the data values, you're going to see where you can open up in StatCrunch. So we're going to open up and bring that data into StatCrunch. And so now we have it in column 1, which is called variable 1. And then we're going to go up to the stat menu, and then we're going to scroll down to summary stats. And then to the right here, we want to select columns because we're dealing with a column. So we want to make sure that we select the column that we're using. So we're going to select the first column, which is variable 1. And then what we want to do is we want to find the mean, the median, and the mode. So you're going to come over here and you're going to select, but you want to hit the hit mean. And then we're going to scroll down and find the median, but you want to hit the control button so it selects mean and median. And then we're going to go down a little further and then select mode. So now we have mean, median, and then mode. And again, holding the control button down is going to bring all 3 of those into this space. And now that this is the 3 things that we want to find, we're going to select compute. So there's the mean, which is what we found by hand, 87.16. We have the median, which was 84.55. And then we also know that there's no mode.